Teachers will agree that Blackboard or a whiteboard is a very effective tool to teach. It helps teachers to build concepts and go step by step. But are you aware that the most of the popular online platforms which teachers are using to conduct live classrooms nowadays, they do not have that functionality. So the teachers have to rely on static materials such as PDFs, PowerPoints, etc. Teachers do not really have a control on how to develop a concept step by step while using these tools and teaching online. Well, with MKCL LearniCo's whiteboard feature, it's not a problem anymore. MKCL LearniCo's whiteboard empowers teachers to take charge of the lecture. It also helps teachers underline, draw, and just get creative, exactly like the blackboard in the school. In addition to all this, MKCL LearniCo has a lot of features like a creation studio, teachers app, reports module, live classrooms, and much more. To know more about it, please visit learnico.mkcl.org or email to learnico@mkcl.org. And yes, please do not hesitate to share this video with the teachers you know.